Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to make this Soju Strawberries and Cream Martini. I made this up. I tried googling and see if someone made this already, but no, there's none. For this drink recipe, you're going to need strawberry syrup, Bailey's strawberries and cream, strawberry soju, and for garnish, a strawberry. So first you're going to start off with putting ice in your tin, 2 ounces of strawberry soju, 2 ounces of Bailey's strawberries and cream, shake. You're gonna add a little bit of strawberry syrup to the bottom of your martini glass. And you're gonna roll it to get a good coat. Strain. And garnish with the strawberry. And there you guys have it, your Soju Strawberries and Cream Martini. Let's do a taste test. Tastes straight up like strawberry milk.